30 wigs for less than £30? How can I possibly look good in one of those? Well, stick around and I'll show you how. Hi, my name is Sophie Summers, and as always, welcome to the Crossdressing Lifestyle channel. In today's video, I'm going to be taking a look at 30 wig styles, and all of which are less than £30. But what I would say is please stick with me right almost to the end, because I'm going to be giving away a coupon code that will enable you to get up to 10% discount on any of the styles that you may be interested in. So the links are going to be below for each one of the styles. But before I start with the short wigs, if you're new here, please do consider subscribing, liking and sharing if you want to be part of the conversation. So, without any further ado, let's get into the short wig styles. So each of those styles look very sassy and very appealing, and it goes to prove that you don't have to spend a small fortune to look really good. My particular favourite is the Flavia. I hope you agree. If you do, give us a good old thumbs up. But whatever your favourite is, let me know by popping a comment down below. So what I'm going to do now is take the tempo down a little bit, but push the enthusiasm up as we now progress on to the medium length styles. Well, there really was some interesting styles and shapes amongst those medium length wigs there. My personal favourite was the Paloma. I just love that colour. It's so vibrant and sassy. But also, I think if you're looking for a period stroke retro design, then probably the Betty is the one that I would favour. So let's move on now to the long lush wigs. I'm sure you'd agree there's some lovely styles amongst all those long length wigs there. My two favourites are the Hannah and particularly that blonde Tilly. I just love the way that the fringe sort of sits nicely on your face, framing it beautifully. So that's all of the long length ones here we're going to review. Now before we move on to the extra long wigs, I said I'll be giving out a coupon code. Well, all of the links to the wigs are down below, as you can see in the description, but the coupon code you're going to be needing is actually, surprisingly enough, called Sophie. So all you have to do at the checkout is put Sophie in there and you will get the appropriate discount. So, without any further ado, let's get into those really long, sassy wigs. So there we go, that's the end of the extremely long wig reviews. In fact, that's the end of all of the reviews. Out of that section, I think I enjoyed wearing the Peggy Sue the most, which was the very long, deep burgundy sort of colour there. If you agree with me and you liked it, give it a good old thumbs up. Now, as I said earlier, down in the description is the link to each and every one of those styles, and the discount code or the coupon code, if you do want to buy one of them, is called Sophie. So don't forget, please, to put that in the checkout. So all that really remains for me to say now is thank you very, very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. And until the next time, be safe, take care, and goodbye.